The registration of a trademark can be renewed at any time subject to timely filing of a renewal application with correct trademark renewal fees. Before I explain regarding the renewal of the trademark, let me briefly clarify as to why it is essential for a business to register its brands and what are the benefits of having a valid registration of the trademark. There are 3 significant benefits of having a trademark and continuously renewing it. Number 1. The registered trademark provides legal protection of stopping anyone from copying the business identity by filing a suit of infringement and can also seek compensation for illegal uses of the brands. Number 2. Trademarks are the most valuable intangible assets that a company can have. You may earn a substantial license fee once you acquire significant goodwill on your brand. Number 3. The most important of all the benefits is the unique identity that your brand will bring to you. It is worth protecting and renewing. The validity of trademark. The registration of trademark is valid for 10 years from the effective date of first registration. The effective date is the date on which the first application for trademark registration was filed. With every renewal of trademark, the validity of trademark registration is extended for another 10 years. Time for filing for trademark renewal. The application for trademark renewal must be filed before its expiry. You may be able to file trademark renewal application 1 year prior to the expiry of its registration. In case the registration of the trademark has lapsed as it was not renewed within its validity, with an additional surcharge in government fee, the trademark can be renewed within 6 months of its expiry. If the trademark application is not renewed before its expiry or with additional fee within 6 months of the expiry date, then the trademark registration gets cancelled. A cancelled trademark can be restored if an application is filed within 6 months of cancellation. Cost and process of trademark renewal. The government fee for trademark renewal is Rs 10,000 if the application for renewal is filed before the expiry of the trademark. The application for trademark renewal is filed in Form TMR. What will happen if I forget to file for trademark renewal? If the trademark is not renewed within its due date, then it can still be renewed within 6 months of grace period from the expiry of the registration. However, in that case, you have to pay an additional fee. In case you miss renewing the trademark even with the grace period, then the mark gets cancelled. A cancelled mark can be restored within 1 year from the date of its expiry. Hope you found the video on trademark renewal informative. As the subject matter is technical, may I advise you to cross-verify the facts with your attorney or us. The law is ever-changing and may apply differently in each situation. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video. Thank you.